Hi, welcome to my Dimplex Quantum video on how the RF series works. This video is going to focus on how to set holiday mode, which is quite useful because holiday mode will then end and then it will go back to normal the day before you come back from holiday. So you return to a nice warm house, and when you're away you're not using any excessive electricity you don't need to, and or your pipes won't freeze in your house because you've set a minimum temperature. So the first thing to do is press the menu button, go to mode, select timer mode, and then put away. So you set your return date, the day before maybe. So we'll go for the 1st of October 2021 as the return date. And then the time we'll put down at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And then the away temperature, if we set that to 10, that'll stop all the pipes freezing. So now it's set to away mode, and it will maintain a 10 degree temperature until the 1st of October at 2 p.m. And then the house will warm back up again and use the settings that you had it before you went away. Thanks for watching. Please check out the other videos in the playlist.